Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. It is Monday morning. It is the 26th day of September. Rich here, and our weather news is great. That little frontal system that went through the state during the overnight hours brought a few showers yesterday evening to the state, is now heading down towards the coast. The air behind it is just beautiful today. Comfortable, low humidity, nice breeze, mid 80s, 50s tonight, maybe 57 for some of us, maybe a few cities getting a little cooler than that. Our weather is great through midweek. Then our late week weather depends on the exact track of Ian. If Ian stays on its current track, probably not a lot of weather here from Ian. Maybe a few showers towards Thursday night into Friday. Perhaps some gusty winds as we get into Friday because of the pressure gradient. But on its current track, Ian would not have much effect on our weather. That may change, of course. And now let us bring you up to date on the latest information on what could be an absolute disaster for Florida, a benchmark storm called Ian. Ian is now officially a hurricane with 75-mile-an-hour winds, located 90 miles southwest of Grand Cayman Island, moving northwest at 14 miles per hour. Looking really good on the satellite this morning. And now all the tropical models just about are all bunched together through the eastern Gulf of Mexico and into Georgia. Not many touching Alabama anymore, so that makes us feel a little bit better that maybe we can start to relax a little bit, even though the cone of uncertainty still covers much of eastern Alabama from I-65 eastward. The track of Ian takes the system into the eastern Gulf of Mexico, rapidly intensifying, and then towards the Big Bend area by late in the week, perhaps by, let's say, Thursday night into Friday, making landfall, but having a serious effect during the middle of the week in west central Florida, where it could be a devastating benchmark storm, especially in the Tampa Bay area, and tremendous amounts of rainfall as well. I fear the worst if this particular track holds out for the folks in Florida, and particularly west central Florida. This is the rainfall potential map, and I show you this to give you an idea that we could have a few showers from this system depending on Ian's exact track. In fact, eastern Alabama could see some heavy rain. But notice how you go westward in the state of Alabama, and by the time you get to the Mississippi line, hardly any rain at all. So the amount of weather we're going to get from Ian is highly dependent on the future track, but we may not get a whole lot, maybe some gusty winds late in the week as well, and a few showers. All right, so that's the latest. You are up to date now. All the details are in the blog section below. This is just the forecast discussion, okay? Follow me? And this morning, everything's normal, including live on the radio, 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Find us on TV on CBS 8 and ABC 32. Meteorologist Ryan Stinnett and I will be talking about this historic storm called Ian. And there'll be another update for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. Your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. Nice breeze today. Great fall day. Enjoy it. We'll see you later.